You are sitting across your dream job interview and they smile, lean forward and say, "Can you tell me about power factor?" And your brain becomes freeze. But what if instead of freezing of our mind, you had answered that not only explain the concept but connect them to the real world in a way they will never forget it. In this video, we are going beyond a textbook theory. These 5 electrical engineering interview questions are not just a comment, they are your chance to prove that you think like an engineer. Let us start from question number 1. Can you explain Ohm's law and where it is used? Sure, voltage is equal to current times resistor. But what does it really mean? Imagine you're charging your phone. The charger converts from AC to DC. The resistor inside are selected to drop the voltage safely. Ohm's law controls how much current flow to your phone battery. So do not state the formula. Just say something like this. In my Arduino project, I calculate resistor value for LED so that they will not burn out with 5 voltage supply. That shows you understand application, not memorize the theory. You understand the applications of the Ohm's law. That means. Now let us continue to the second question. What is the difference between AC and DC? Think of DC as a river flowing in one direction, but AC is like an ocean, moves forward and backward. DC powers your laptop, your phone, your EVs. AC uses on the grid because it is easy to step up and step down using transformer, and it have low loss when to transmit the AC current from the grid to the transmission to the distribution in the customer. That means, so you must be say like this. I designed a DC motor controller in robotics, and also I studied how households appliances are used 220 volts AC supply. That is showing you know how and where you matter. Okay, now let us move to the third question, which is how does transformers work? So transformer is like a voltage box gear. It takes voltage in the primary and output voltage in the secondary winding. That means, so for example, your phone charges step down 220 volt to 5 volt and never contact to circuits that together the primary and the secondary. It is all about a magnetic coupling. It works by magnetic induction. That means we give a primary source to the primary winding, and by magnetic induction it's step down or step up in the secondary winding. That means, so say something like 12 volt step down transformer in a lab and studied its efficiency at various load. When you say like that in interview, so that shows a practical understanding. Now let us move to question number 4. What is power factor and why it is important? Let us make it very simple. So think of an electrical power is like a mug of beer. The liquid is real power or useful power. That means, and the form is the reactive power. So the real power plus the reactive power is the apparent power, which is the total power. That means the low power factor means more free. That means more wasted. That means the form in the beer. That means that is why industries pay more when power factor is poor. That engineers fix this problem by using capacitors and inductors and by synchronized condensers. You can say in the interview like this: we measure and improve power factor in power lab using capacitive loaders and simulate the impact in MATLAB. That the cost saving were clear. Now that shows you are a business aware and technical. So let us move to the question number 5, which is what happens when you connect a capacitor to DC. So picture like this. Capacitor is like a water tank that connects to DC pip and water flow in fast. That is a current. So as it fills up, the flowing of the water is stopped. That means, so the same happen is with a capacitor. Initially, the current flow and the voltage raises. As once charged, it acts like open circuit. So in power supply, capacitors are used to smooth out a DC voltage and to remove ripple. So a great answer like this. In my SMPS project, we used a capacitor in filter section to reduce voltage ripple. It stabilizes the output beautifully. So when we answer like this, you are a real engineer. You are a real learner. That means, see, these are not just a question. They are your opportunity to stand out. Anyone can explain, memorize a definition, but you are connect the concept to the real world. You speak in system saving solutions. If you want part 2 with 5 more real world questions, smash the like button and subscribe. So thank you very much for watching this video.